For years, AI was all mind, digital brains that could outthink us at chess or write poetry, but couldn't lift a finger in the real world. They lived in computers, processing data, but never interacting with our physical environment. But now, in 2026, everything is changing. We're entering the age of physical AI, where artificial intelligence gets a body. These new AIs can see, hear, and act in the real world, not just on a screen. Imagine a robot that doesn't just tell you how to build a chair, but actually assembles it for you. This leap is as big as the invention of the internet or the smartphone. We're giving our smartest software hands, wheels, and legs, and that changes everything. Physical AI isn't just about cool gadgets, it's about solving real-world problems. These machines can help us grow food, build infrastructure, care for the sick, and explore dangerous places. They extend our abilities, becoming true partners in work and life. The era of disembodied AI was impressive, but physical AI is where the real adventure begins. The digital mind is stepping off the screen and into our world. Welcome to the new era. Why is 2026 such a turning point for physical AI? Because a perfect storm of technology has arrived. For years, we had some of the ingredients: smart AI, basic robots, fast chips. But now, everything's come together. AI brains are more powerful than ever, thanks to foundation models that understand language and complex ideas. Robot bodies are agile and affordable, and new chips let them think for themselves, right on the device. This convergence has sparked an explosion in what robots can do. Before, robots were stuck doing repetitive tasks in controlled environments. Now, they can learn, adapt, and handle new situations, almost like us. 2026 is the year robots became true partners, not just programmable machines. The groundwork was laid over decades, but now we're seeing the results everywhere. Robots are waking up, looking around, and getting to work. The world of robotics is shifting from programming to teaching. This is the moment when theory becomes reality. The revolution is here. What's the secret sauce behind physical AI? It's a mix of smarter brains, better hardware, and powerful collaboration. First, massive AI models, trained on mountains of text, images, and video, give robots a deep understanding of the world. These models let a robot watch a video and then perform the task itself, without step-by-step programming. Next, specialized chips like NVIDIA's Jetson Thor bring this intelligence right into the robot, enabling real-time decisions. No more waiting for cloud instructions, robots can react instantly. Simulation is another game changer. Developers use virtual worlds to train robots for thousands of hours, making them safer and more reliable before they ever touch the real world. Open-source software and hardware are accelerating progress. Companies and researchers share breakthroughs, building on each other's work instead of starting from scratch. Open architectures like RISC-V foster global collaboration. This spirit of sharing is speeding up innovation like never before. The result: smarter, safer, and more adaptable robots. Physical AI is a team effort, and the team is global. Where is physical AI making the biggest impact? Factories, farms, hospitals, and beyond. In manufacturing, collaborative robots, cobots, work safely alongside humans, stacking boxes, inspecting products, and adapting on the fly. On farms, solar-powered robots like those from Eigen identify and zap weeds, reducing chemical use and boosting sustainability. Autonomous helpers like Burrow carry heavy loads, easing the burden on farm workers. In healthcare, robots assist surgeons with precision and help people with mobility. Challenges walk again. Wearable robots adapt to users' movements, providing support exactly when needed. Even the energy sector is getting a boost. Robots like Maximo help build massive solar farms, making the process faster and safer. These aren't just futuristic concepts, they're working today. Physical AI is transforming industries, making work safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. From assembly lines to fields and hospitals, robots are becoming essential partners. The future of work is human and machine, side by side. The impact is real, and it's only growing. Physical AI is here to stay. One of the most exciting breakthroughs. You can now talk to robots in plain English. No more programming, just say what you want, and the robot understands. Imagine asking, "Hey robot, hand me that screwdriver," and it happens. Powerful language models connect words to actions, making robotics accessible to everyone. The AI breaks down your command, identifies objects and actions, and translates it into steps the robot can execute. Training in virtual worlds lets robots practice millions of commands until they get it right. This is a game changer for factories, homes, and beyond. Workers can quickly reconfigure production lines, and people at home can get help with daily tasks just by asking. The future of robotics is conversational. Technology is finally speaking our language. The barrier between humans and machines is disappearing. No single company can build this future alone. Physical AI is advancing thanks to global teamwork. Tech giants, startups, universities, and open-source communities all working together. Industry events bring everyone together to share breakthroughs and challenges, lifting the whole field. Open-source tools and architectures like RISC-V make cutting-edge robotics accessible to all. Startups and students can now innovate with resources once reserved for big corporations. Fellowships and incubators nurture the next generation of roboticists. This ecosystem of collaboration, sharing, and support is fueling rapid progress. The future of robotics is a team effort, and everyone's invited. In the age of physical AI, data is the new gold. The real value isn't just in the robot, it's in the data robots collect as they work. Every task, every success, every mistake generates data that makes the whole system smarter. A fleet of robots sharing what they learn creates a powerful feedback loop. The more data, the smarter the AI. Companies are racing to deploy robots, not just to sell hardware, but to build unique data pipelines. The more real-world data you have, the better your AI becomes. Some companies even offer robots at lower cost, knowing the real payoff is in the data and improved services. The goal: become the leader in a field by collecting the best data. In this new gold rush, those who mine the most data will build the smartest AI. The future belongs to those who learn the fastest. Data is the key to unlocking the next wave of innovation. The dream? Generalist robots that can handle the chaos of daily life, loading dishwashers, folding laundry, even cooking dinner. Researchers are training humanoid robots in virtual worlds, letting them practice millions of tasks before trying them in real homes. The challenge is huge. A robot needs both dexterity and common sense to handle the variety of objects and situations in a house. Startups like Telexistence are already deploying humanoid robots in stores, proving this vision is possible. As AI gets smarter and hardware gets cheaper, these robots will move from labs to living rooms. The journey is long, but the destination is in sight. The building blocks are here. The age of the household robot is coming. The future is closer than you think. We're at the dawn of the age of physical AI, where machines become active partners in our lives. As robots move into our workplaces and homes, we must ask, how will our world change? Will robots free us for more creative work, or create new jobs we haven't imagined? How will our cities and homes adapt to living with machines? The choices we make now, about design, rules and roles, will shape the future for generations. The science is moving fast, but the story is still being written. What will we choose to do with this new power? The next chapter is ours to create.